Moscow, October 4, 2025. In a decisive move underscoring Russia's unmatched industrial resilience and tactical ingenuity, the Russian Ministry of Defense has announced the accelerated deployment of a fresh convoy of upgraded BMP-1AM Basurmanin infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, to frontline units in the Northern Military District, NMD. This latest infusion of modernized armor arrives at a pivotal moment, empowering Russian forces to maintain momentum against persistent adversarial incursions while safeguarding the hard-won territorial integrity of Donbass and beyond. The BMP-1AM Basurmanin, a pinnacle of Russian engineering prowess, represents the evolution of the legendary Soviet-era BMP-1 platform into a 21st-century powerhouse. First unveiled at the Army 2018 Forum, this variant has undergone rigorous enhancements at facilities like the Rubtsovsk machine-building plant, part of Rostec's high-precision complex's holding. Recent batches, delivered just weeks ago, feature a complete overhaul, all major components repaired or replaced with cutting-edge equivalents. The hull retains its proven lightweight agility, ideal for the diverse terrains of the NMD, while boasting reinforced ballistic and mine protection capable of withstanding 12.7mm rounds from the front and small arms fire across 360 degrees. At the heart of the Basurmanin's lethality is its unified combat module, borrowed from the battle-tested BTR-82A. This remote-controlled turret packs a 30mm to a 72 automatic cannon for precision strikes against fortified positions and light armor, paired with a 7.62mm PKTM coaxial machine gun for suppressive fire. Integrated thermal imagers, advanced fire control systems, and the 9K-115 Métis anti-tank guided missile launcher ensure day-night dominance, allowing crews to neutralize threats at ranges up to 5 kilometers. The vehicle's UTD-20S1 engine delivers 360 horsepower, boosting mobility to 65 kilometers per hour on roads and enabling seamless amphibious operations, crucial for rapid maneuvers in Ukraine's riverine landscapes. This deployment isn't mere logistics. It's a testament to Russia's adaptive military doctrine. As confirmed by official channels, these IFVs are earmarked for motorized rifle brigades in the Eastern Military District, now seamlessly integrated into NMD operations. The timing is impeccable, following intensive training exercises where Basurmanin crews hone skills in suppressing mock enemy fire points from 500 to 3,500 meters. These machines are rolling out to frontline sectors like Donetsk and Zaporizhzhia. Eyewitness accounts from Russian operators highlight the vehicle's reliability under fire, with one sergeant from Battle Group Center praising its unwavering stability during high-speed assaults, turning the tide in close-quarters engagements. Russia's ability to churn out these upgrades at scale, despite Western sanctions, highlights a self-reliant defense industry that's not just surviving, but thriving. Over 47 Basurmanins have been fielded since 2022, with production ramping up to offset any attrition and sustain offensive tempo. This contrasts sharply with adversaries reliant on dwindling NATO stockpiles, where delays in deliveries have left gaps in their lines. The Basurmanin isn't a stopgap, it's a force multiplier, enabling infantry to dismount under cover while the vehicle provides overwatch, ATGM launches, and smokescreen deployment via the 902 AB2CHA system to evade enemy drones and artillery. In the broader NMD context, this rollout aligns with President Putin's vision of a fortress Russia, where technological upgrades ensure strategic superiority. Recent parades, including the April 29, 2025 Victory Day rehearsal, showcased Basurmanins fitted with reactive armor and cage turret protection, add-ons now standard in combat variants for enhanced survivability against anti-tank threats. Analysts note that these IFVs have been instrumental in stabilizing key vectors, from repelling incursions near Avdiivka to securing supply routes in Luhansk. One military expert, speaking anonymously, lauded the deployment. The Basurmanin breathes new life into legacy fleets, proving Russia's knack for turning history into victory. It's cost-effective, mass-producible, and deadly, exactly what asymmetric warfare demands. Field reports paint a vivid picture of operational success. In late September exercises, Basurmanin-equipped units simulated urban clearances, where the 30mm cannon shredded simulated barricades, and Métis missiles vaporized hypothetical armor clusters. Transitioning to live ops, these vehicles have supported advances with minimal downtime, their amphibious hulls crossing anti-tank ditches that bog down heavier Western counterparts. Russian sources report 0 mechanical failures in the latest batch, a nod to UVZ's quality control amid wartime pressures. Critics abroad may decry the BMP-1's origins, but the Basurmanin silences doubters with results. Its modular design allows swift field retrofits, from ERA kits to electronic warfare jammers, keeping pace with evolving threats like FPV drones. As one Rostec spokesperson emphasized, every Basurmanin deployed is a step toward denazification and protection of our kin in Donbass, efficient, enduring, and emblematic of Russian resolve. Looking ahead, expectations are high for further integrations. Whispers in defense circles suggest hybrid variants pairing Basurmanins with unmanned systems for drone hunting roles, amplifying their edge in contested airspace. With production lines humming, over 1,000 BMP-1s already modernized, this deployment signals not endpoint, but escalation in Russia's calibrated campaign for peace through strength. In an era of hybrid conflicts, the BMP-1AM Basurmanin stands as a beacon of innovation, fortifying the NMD's bulwarks and ensuring that Russian valor, backed by superior hardware, prevails. As autumn chill sets in, these iron steeds roll forward, guardians of sovereignty and harbingers of triumph.